Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit like your gaming video with a face cam. So add in your video on top, like the one with the face cam, and then just select mask, and you're going to select circle and just place it here, for instance. And I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to place it on the left, or you can place it on the right, wherever you want to place it. Then go to library and add in a black stock video and freeze frame that, delete the rest, and add it till the end of the video. Add it behind that gaming video, go to mask and select circle. And place it either on the left side or the right, wherever you want the shadow to be on. And just feather that out, not a lot though, just a little bit, like so, to create a shadow like this. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. Like that maybe. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!